Hi, I'm Aditya Rathore, and today we are going to unbox this brand new iPad 9 Gen, which is the 2021 model. And let's have a first look at this iPad. And there were some paperwork present in the box that I removed. Uh, some kind of warranty information and SIM ejector tool and Apple sticker. Um, let's keep aside the paperwork. Here's the iPad in our hand. It is powered by A13 Bionic chipset, which is the same chipset present in iPhone 11. It has a IPS LCD display, so-called Retina HD. Its quality is decent and it has 60 Hz refresh rate that you can notice if you are coming from 120 Hz device. Now let's talk about camera quality. It is powered by 12 MP front camera and 8 megapixel rear camera. Its FCam is actually an incremental upgrade over previous iPads. Apple has finally got rid of notorious 1.2 megapixel sensor. I mean, that makes no sense. So 1.2, oh my god. This is its rear camera. As you can see, it is a decent, suitable for making notes. I mean, taking notes. And let's talk about its audio quality. It has actually mono speaker. It is decently loud. Its app cam is good, I think, and its rear cam, I think it is sufficient for taking snaps of notes. You can't expect some professional photography. But its front camera is fine. It just lacks some advanced mode that is present in iPhone camera. As I can see, no effect whatsoever, chrome effect and everything. Nothing is present here. Just a basic camera. Uh, who should buy it? If you are a student, mm, mm, or you are a gamer. Yup, I did played some games on the Sun. Genshin Impact, Battleground India, Call of Duty work like a breeze. I mean, I have nothing to complain about the performance, as this iPad starts at 31,000 rupees for 64 gigs Wi-Fi variant, and cellular variant is priced at 43,000 rupees, and this is a cellular variant. If you are okay with Wi-Fi, then you can go with Wi-Fi variant. It is also value for money, and cellular variant is superb. I mean, it has actually good network reception. I mean, if you insert NSM, Geo, BSNL, it will just take whatever it can take from the SIM card and provide you a pretty decent internet speed. So, and for multimedia consumption, it is fine enough. It has HDR support for Netflix, so you will be enjoying watching Netflix, Prime videos, whatsoever. If you are a student, then you can also buy this online classes and everything, and you can make notes on this also. um, Now, final verdict. I think it is way better than any Android tab. I mean, in Android tab there is a budget Realme tab priced at 17,000 rupees. That is, I think, just shit. It has MediaTek Helio G86 processor, and it is nothing when compared to this. And Samsung tabs that are present around this price bracket, I mean 45 43,000, Samsung offers Snapdragon 750, and I think that is a sluggish SoC. This is way powerful than all those Android tabs. So I mean, I can recommend you this tab without a single thought. Thank you.